Good evening and welcome to NAZ Today. I'm Aaron Granillo.
And I'm Vanessa Youngman. Thanks for tuning in.
The bacteria that is commonly known as the plague is once again rearing its head around Coconino County. Recently, the County Public Health Services Department, along with NAU researchers, took flea samples from multiple areas within the county. The samples collected near Picture Canyon, east of Highway 89 near Flagstaff, tested positive for Yersinia Pestis, otherwise known as the plague bacteria.
Residents of Coconino County should take preventative measures when outside due to this positive testing. We spoke with Randy Phillips, Division Manager of CCHSD, who mentions rodents, specifically prairie dogs, at the most common carriers of the disease.
If they're in an area where there are rodent burrows or prairie dogs present, they should be careful. Avoid coming into contact with, of course, the prairie dogs or with the rodent burrows. Keeping their animals on a leash, which is required by state law, and keeping them, again, out of those same areas as well. If they're going to camp or anything like that, make sure they're not camping near a rodent burrow. And we also recommend that they could wear like an insect repellent to help keep the fleas from jumping onto them as a host.
If you feel that you or your pet has come into contact with carriers of the disease, you should contact your physician or veterinarian immediately. Randy Phillips mentioned these symptoms to keep an eye out for.
Symptoms are fever, chills, headache, and weakness, muscle pain, and they generally occur 2 to 6 days after exposure.